Hello, my name is Dora Garcia. This is Draw My Life. These are my parents, Gustavo and Flor, and this is me. I was born in Vitama in my house. I was born on November 9, 1996. I have four sisters and one brother. My older sister Sandra, Nubia, Mauricio, Diana, and the younger sister Paula. These are my niece Daniela and my nephew Santiago. I began studying when I was 5 years old in the primary school in Villais. I finished of study when I had 10 years old. Then I began study the high school in a near Villais. I finished of study when I had 16 years old. My 30 of 15th birthday was in my house with my family and friends. I received much gifts. My godmother gave me drink. This day was for me. Then I began study in the Sena Sede Agro in the city of Itama in 2013. I finished in 2015 a food processing technologist. Then I start work in Investments El Dorado in January of 2016 work rotative operator. I travel in my vacations a Cubeñas, Córdoba with my older sister, my uncle, and my niece. I knew Odisea. This trip was wonderful for me. In the next vacation, I visit the city, Cali. I visit the church of Termita. Me ever liked to play soccer with my friends in my village. I practiced minitejo some years. It's a good sport. Then I started studying at the university in 2018, a degree in language with an emphasis on English, and at this moment I am course 4th semester. Thank you.